Hi! Let's set up and sync your fitness tracker to your Healthy 365 app. Turn both your new HPB Fitness Tracker and Healthy 365 app on. When prompted to pair your new fitness tracker, tap on Pair your fitness tracker now to activate your new HPB Fitness Tracker. Next, on home screen, tap on Sync New Fitness Tracker. If you have collected a new fitness tracker and have an existing fitness device paired with the Healthy 365 app, the app will automatically detect the newly collected tracker, and an auto pop-up message will appear prompting you to change fitness trackers. Tap Sync Current Fitness Device first to sync your existing records and prevent data loss. Once done, tap Change to New Tracker. Then, tap Sync New Fitness Tracker on the home screen to sync your newly collected tracker. You can also pair the newly collected tracker to the app by tapping on the Profile tab of the Healthy 365 app. Then, tap My Tracker card and select Manage. Then, tap on Pair Now and follow the on-screen instructions. Once done, tap on Sync New Fitness Tracker on the home screen of the Healthy 365 app. If you're not paired to a fitness device, you can set up your fitness tracking modes by selecting Pair Your Tracker or App on the home screen. Next, tap on Other Fitness Apps. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant permissions to your relevant fitness data.